Hey, good morning. This is Jeff. So we are heading to Brownsville, Tennessee at Mindfield. We got everything. We have the quad and pretty much like anything that's drone or RC heading to this place. So right now it is 8 o'clock. I'm a little behind. I was trying to leave at 6 but really couldn't. So yeah, we'll see you in Mindfield. Let's dive right into it. Mindfield, here we go.
Welcome to Tennessee.
Tennessee! On the way to Mindfield, I caught a flat. Yeah, it's a good one too. So it's like, see that big hole right here? Another hole right here. So caught a flat with a rental. Already called roadside assistance, so they should be here. Estimated ETA is 119 minutes. So I don't really know, what time they're gonna get here. So we're just gonna wait and pretty much until, we can fix it and get somewhere. So until then, I'm just gonna stay put and, the quad's just gonna stay in the bag and just chill there. So I don't know, just it's a little disheartening, but stuff happens, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna get some help in a little bit. So
a few moments later,
it's been close to 2 hours already, maybe 1.5 or so, since I called the dispatch. All right, so we're gonna continue to wait and just wait until someone shows up and get us out of this mess. So yep, I'm back. Still nothing, still here, stranded. I was wondering if I should just do a little bit of FPV when I'm waiting, or okay, you know what, they're just taking forever, so what the heck, let's just whip it out while we're here. I'm not sure that I will ever come back to Lexington, Tennessee. I was gonna say Lexington, Kentucky, but I'm in Tennessee, not Kentucky. Oh, finally. He's here. Jeremy. Oh, man. Thank God you're here.
We were down towards Memphis. when we got your cow.
Oh, really? Oh, gotcha.
That's the reason it took us so long.
It took so long. Okay, I gotcha. Okay, so real quick update. So the tow truck showed up, but they pretty much said that the only thing that I can do is just tow me into Firestone tire shop, and I was just outside of Auto Care of Walmart, so I pretty much waited about 4 to 5 hours for no reason. Yeah, so now the Auto Care, I'm getting the tire replaced at the Auto Care Center, so once this is done, you should be able to head out. The car is ready.
There you go. Thank you, Janice. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go home. Let's go home.
Tire's fixed.
There you go. Boom.
We're leaving.
We leaving. All right, let's get out of here. Definitely not gonna be defeated. Just gonna go. So I'll see you in Mindfield. All right, so right here still in Mindfield. Still a tow chat, and the gang's still flying, trying to capture the sunset. So I'm just gonna go FPV real quick, try to grab something real quick. So here we go. All right, Brownsville, we're done. Came to the end, but it was all worth it. So I'm Jeff with SSH Drones, and I'm signing off.